I have added 2 green chilies and little bit of small piece of ginger to the soaked urad dal. I soaked urad dal today morning around 8, and now the time is evening 4. So normally I don't soak just for 2-3 hours. I just let it soak for 5-6 hours. So I'm grinding the urad dal now. If you can see, it is quite thick right now. And I'm sort of pouring a little bit of water to it. Now you can see the consistency of this batter. It's pretty fine paste, sort of fine batter. So let's take it out. Hope you can see the consistency of the batter. It's nice, smooth. Now I'm adding finely chopped onions. It's a medium-sized onion. Now I'm adding finely chopped green chilies. Remember, we have already added 2 green chilies while grinding. If you have small kids at home, maybe you can avoid this finely chopped green chilies and just add it while grinding. And if you wish, you can also add red chilies instead of green chilies while grinding. Now let's add the salt to it. Let's mix everything together. I forgot to mention, now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of rice flour to this and mix the batter. Now I've mixed everything. Now you can actually keep the batter in the fridge. You can grind the batter the previous day and then you can keep it in the fridge if you want. But before making vada, just take it out from the fridge, keep it for 5 minutes outside, and then you can make vada. And if you can hear the sound of the batter, this is how the consistency will sound like.